Have you ever wondered how AI can help businesses improve their operations, increase efficiency, and provide better customer experiences? In today's video, we'll be exploring some exciting use cases of AI in business and how it can take your organization to the next level. Let's dive in. Customer service. Do you know that AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing quick and accurate responses? Let's say you are running a trendy online clothing store and you get an influx of customer inquiries about your latest collection, but your support team is overwhelmed and can't handle the volume. This is where AI steps in to save the day. By implementing an AI-powered chatbot on your website, customers can receive instant responses to their inquiries about product details, sizing, and more, 24/7. No more waiting for support team response or losing customers due to delayed replies. Your customers will be impressed by the quick and accurate responses they receive, leading to a significant boost in customer satisfaction. The seamless and immediate assistance provided by the chatbot will enhance their shopping experience and build trust in your brand. As a result, you'll witness increased customer loyalty and higher conversion rates, translating into a significant boost in sales for your online clothing store. By leveraging AI to handle customer inquiries, you not only alleviate the burden on your support team but also ensure that every customer receives timely assistance. This seamless integration of AI in your business operation sets you apart from competitors and positions your online clothing store as a leader in customer service and convenience. Personalization. With AI, you can personalize the service for your target customer to give them more relevant and meaningful experience. If you own a travel agency specializing in adventure vacations, by unlocking the power of AI, you can analyze customer data, including their travel preferences, past bookings, and online interactions, to offer personalized recommendations and create unforgettable experiences. For instance, if a customer has previously booked hiking trips and shown an interest in outdoor activities on social media, the AI algorithms can suggest exciting destinations known for their breathtaking hiking trails, such as Patagonia or the Swiss Alps. Additionally, the system can recommend adventure gear, local guides, and accommodations that align with the customer's preferences and budget. Moreover, by analyzing customer reviews and feedback, the AI algorithms can continuously improve the travel experiences. For example, if the system identifies common concerns about transportation options or long wait times at certain attractions, it can proactively address these issues by recommending alternative routes or suggesting less crowded times to visit. The personalized recommendations and seamless travel planning powered by AI not only enhance the customer's vacation experience, but also foster a stronger connection with your travel agency. Customers feel valued and understood, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Sales and marketing. You can increase sales and profitability of any business by leveraging AI-powered tools. If you own a restaurant business, you can analyze customer data to determine the most effective pricing strategy for your menu items. With the help of AI algorithms, you can take into account various factors such as the cost of ingredients, the popularity of the dish, and the time of day. For instance, if the data shows that customers prefer certain dishes during peak hours, the AI system can suggest adjusting the prices of those dishes accordingly. Additionally, if there are slower periods during the day or week, the AI system can recommend offering discounts to attract more customers. By choosing the most effective pricing strategy, the restaurant can maximize revenue and profitability. Furthermore, AI-powered marketing tools can help the restaurant create targeted campaigns that are personalized to individual customers. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, AI algorithms can identify the best channels and messages to reach each customer. If a customer walks into your restaurant during a busy lunch hour, the AI system can identify this peak period and suggest increasing the price of your popular dishes to maximize profits. Meanwhile, if there are fewer customers during a slow period in the afternoon, the AI system can recommend offering a discount on certain menu items to attract more customers. If a customer who frequently orders vegetarian dishes receives a personalized email from your restaurant, offering discounts on new plant-based menu items, this customer feels appreciated and is more likely to return to your restaurant for future meals, ultimately driving growth and success for your business. Operations and supply chain management. For operation and supply chain management, AI can do wonders. If you have a delivery company, and you have a time-sensitive package that needs to reach a customer urgently, AI comes to the rescue. Using AI-powered algorithms, you can analyze real-time data on traffic conditions, weather patterns, and other variables that may impact the delivery process. The AI system can then determine the optimal route for your delivery driver, taking into account factors like road congestion, construction zones, and weather conditions. This ensures that your driver avoids potential delays and reaches the destination on time. But AI doesn't stop there. It can also optimize your inventory levels to prevent shortages or excess stock. By analyzing historical sales data, customer demand patterns, and even external factors like holidays or promotions, AI algorithms can predict future demand and suggest the appropriate inventory levels. This helps you maintain a lean and efficient supply chain, avoiding the costs of overstocking or missed sales due to stockouts. Furthermore, AI can help you proactively address equipment failures. By continuously monitoring sensors and collecting data from machinery and equipment, AI algorithms can detect patterns and anomalies that may indicate a potential failure. This allows you to schedule maintenance or repairs before a breakdown occurs, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth operations. AI has emerged as a powerful force that can completely transform industries, enabling businesses to reach new heights of efficiency and success. With AI at their disposal, businesses can revolutionize their operations, fine-tune their logistics, and create unforgettable personalized experiences for customers. The possibilities are endless as AI empowers businesses to operate with unparalleled precision, anticipate customer needs like never before, and emerge as leaders in their respective fields. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let us know where you would want to use AI in your business in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more innovative content. Till then, stay tuned.